Sometimes in Civil 3D, you need to give contour data to other parties, not the Civil 3D drawing, but the contours of a surface. So to do that, you need to turn on the contour style you need to send out. So using the surface style, you can set it. Then what you do is you select the drawing, then go to extract from surface here, then extract objects. So you can select all the contours like major contours and minor contours. So it will highlight here, and major contours, minor contours, all of them are we are selecting, and click OK. So it will extract all the contours. So I will set this surface to no display. Now you can see we have polylines of the contours. So you can use these contours to other third parties to do their work. That is how to extract contours from a surface.